A gull is a type of seabird that belongs to the family Laridae. There are around 55 different species of gulls found throughout the world, with varying sizes, plumages, and behaviors. Gulls are known for their adaptability and can be found in a wide range of coastal and inland habitats, including sandy beaches, rocky shores, estuaries, and even urban areas. Gulls have a distinctive appearance, with long wings, a strong bill, and webbed feet. They range in size from the small little gull, which is only about 30 centimeters in length, to the Great Black-backed Gull, which can be up to 66 centimeters in length. Plumage coloration also varies greatly among different species of gulls, with some having white, gray, black, or even reddish feathers. Gulls are opportunistic feeders, and their diet consists of a wide range of food items, including fish, crustaceans, mollusks, insects, and even carrion. Some gulls, such as the Western Gull, are known to feed on marine mammals, such as seals and sea lions. Gulls are also known to scavenge for food in human-populated areas, such as garbage dumps and fishing ports. Gulls are highly social birds and are known for their large colonies. They are colonial nesters and build their nests on cliffs, rocky shores, or on the ground. They lay 1 to 3 eggs and both parents take turns incubating them. The chicks hatch after about 4 weeks, and both parents continue to care for them until they are able to fly and fend for themselves. Gulls are strong flyers and are known for their aerial acrobatics. They are able to fly at high speeds and can cover long distances in a single flight. They are also able to hover in one spot, and some species, such as the black-legged kittiwake, are able to swim underwater to catch fish. Gulls play an important role in coastal ecosystems, controlling the populations of certain prey species, and providing food for predators such as eagles and falcons. However, due to their scavenging habits, they can also be considered as a pest in certain areas, particularly in urban areas where they can become a nuisance to residents and businesses. Gulls have a wide distribution and are found throughout the world, with the exception of Antarctica. They are known to migrate long distances, with some species traveling between their breeding and wintering grounds. But in other cultures, they are considered a pest due to their scavenging habits. Overall, gulls are a diverse group of seabirds that are known for their adaptability, opportunistic feeding habits, and large colonies. They are an important part of coastal ecosystems, but their scavenging habits can also make them a nuisance in human-populated areas. Gulls have significant cultural significance and are known for their aerial acrobatics and long-distance migrations.